one incident where you apparently forgot your costumes and you had to reshoot this whole
That was
video.
happening in
Oh my
January.
god,
I was shooting.
that's
I was
funny.
shooting Comedy Premium League, and oh my god, yeah, I remember that. I can never forget
No,
that.
I don't
I'm
understand.
gonna do this, and Sudeep was like, "You have COVID. Calm down. It's fine." So I was like, "Okay, fine. I'm gonna take a break." And even after I have recently gotten back to work where I've started doing events again. I've started writing a little bit again. I've started shooting here and there. I wanted to come back. So राइट नाउ तो पर्सनल स्पेस वगैरह की कोई कमी नहीं है अभी तो और मी मम्मा पापा सो मच इन ईच अदर स्पेस हम कभी कभी सोचते हैं कि चलो अपने अपने कमरे में बैठ के चिल करते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए
That's
so that is
true. And
happening but
Prajakta, also I think also the part where you said now that even when you got COVID, you were like, "Abhi thoda काम करना है." I think it is again back with that high, that high you have with you that just continues even when you are down at some point of time. Is that
it somewhere it does also because I creating videos brings me a lot of joy, especially when I'm down. I feel like that is one way I can feel better when I get into character, or I know that if I turn my camera on and be like, "Hey guys, what's up?" It's gonna come with a smile on my face, and I know I want to do that on my low days. So I remember when I first got COVID, I was just like, how? Like, how many more masks should I have worn? What is going on? So I was, and and it was in a lot of my very close family friends. I lost some people who mattered a lot to me. Um, so overall, my also reflects to a bad days to create content, and it helps me feel better on some days. I might upload it, I might not. So I think that is also where it came from. But I'm so glad that I took a back step. I sort of took some time. Last year, I was just thinking, I was writing about it last night. Last year, when lockdown happened, it was about, wanting more things from all this extra time that we got. That I want to start
Productivity
working.
crisis that we had.
Like I want to make coffee and I want to bake banana bread and I want to do this and I want to spend time with my family. I think this year lockdown has just been showing gratitude for things I already have. I don't want anything more. I'm just very
साढ़े
so it was
500 जन
I'm
में
just glad.
5
I
जन
know why I
कम
went
है
to there, but
4
I'm just
जन
glad
कम
I
है
took the time off.
मीटिंग में
Okay. So one more thing I wanted to ask Prajakta is that
अरे
when you are
है ही
out
हम
there, okay, there are
है
so
हम
many
बोल रहे
people who
500
are
जन
following,
है
like following you not
नहीं
in
वो
terms of
मतलब
the
चीफ
Instagram
गेस्ट के
account,
तौर
but
पे
have
बुलाया गया है उसको
as in like literally following your
कॉलेज
life.
वगैरह का फेस्ट होता
They
है
look
ना
up to you as an
उसमें
icon,
चीफ गेस्ट
and there
बुलाया
are
जाता
times
है
where, as you said, that
तो
there
उसमें
is
एक
a space
यूट्यूबर आई
which
है
is your space.
समझ रही है जैसे
How
तुम
do you
वो
differentiate
देखती
this
है ना क्या
personal
होता है
life
ताना
away
माना
from
तो
that part of
उसमें
your
कोई
life?
होगी फेमस तो वैसे ये फेमस है
It's really not
है
as
ना
tough as I thought it would be.
है ना
Honestly, because again my team has a very big part to play in this. When I started making content ना उन्होंने मुझे तभी बताया था कि share
अरे तो
what
वो
you are
लेक्चर दे रही तो क्या
comfortable
बोलेंगे बीच में
sharing and know how much you're sharing, know that you're
हाँ
only invading your
कोई आदमी बोल
privacy.
रहा है
Like
हेलो
I'm not invading my
मतलब
parents'
कोई बात
privacy, or
बोल
I'm
रहा है
not
तो बीच में
invading
क्या
my
बोले ओ मैम
friends or
आई
my
एम बिग
any
फैन
other
ऑफ योर्स मैम
relations that I have. I'm not invading their privacy. Whatever you do it at your expense. Make sure. So if you're shooting in your bedroom, uh, then they are going to want to see where your
What?
books
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
They're going to want to see a room tour. If you're going to, vlog on your vacation, then they'll want to know what else you did on vacation. So I think शुरुआत से ही touch wood, I don't know. I have not really reached a point where I'm like, oh my god, I'm not able to separate because uh, a large part of my online presence is what I am offline, but that is not all that I'm offline. There are many parts of my life that I have actively not spoken about because I want to keep them to myself, and that has really helped me sort of create enough space in
No, but like this
for
whole
both the
dum dum army that we have, and like whatever little I've spoken to them, and like I'm also a big artist by the way. So yeah, apart from that, like they like a lot of people who are like, like she'll be so nice to you, she'll probably go have vada pav with you, she'll probably come home.
Yeah.
So I don't. Where do you draw the line? Like where do you draw the line, and where you're like, no, this is like I think this is it for today, or like
Yeah.
how do you draw that?
I think when I'm out of my house, if I'm in office or if I'm shooting somewhere, if I'm driving, honestly, I love meeting my viewers. That is one of the things that I miss the most right now, and even more the fact that I can't hug them every time I see them. I really miss that.
इस मुंह से
So
आ
every
जाते हैं
time I'm
बोल
out, it is one of the high points of my day when I get to meet viewers, because we're so used to everything online that when that username is actually attached to a person who's breathing right in front of you, it's good. It makes me happy. That is why I love meeting greets and things like that. I think the only time I get uncomfortable
तो
is if
फाइल की
someone
जगह
comes
अगर वो होता तो
because the minute I enter my house,
बक्सा
I
में
didn't
बंद
touch
करके
you, I dropped
विसर्जन कर
away.
दिया उसे
Yeah, like I'll still be online and I'll still be talking and I'll still be doing lives, I'll still be shooting.
The dynamic change for you.
घर मत आओ, basically घर मत आओ.
नहीं मतलब, और पता है ऐसे हो जाता है ना कि because I'm never home तो घर आके मिलती कोई है नहीं कभी. I am never home. My parents are home and my parents are very like she's like मतलब कितनी बार मैं बोली हाँ आज वो आए थे वो चाय पी के गए. मैं तो है चाय पी के गए कि हाँ मम्मा कह रही यार बच्चे छोटे छोटे हमारे घर के बाहर आते हैं हम उनको भेज नहीं सकते ऐसे. So they are very sweet and they don't know what to do. But the thing is कि घर आके जाओ क्योंकि you won't be able to meet me because I am hardly home. But that's besides the point. I think it just makes me and my family a little bit uncomfortable sometimes if someone comes home. Otherwise, we are fine with it. I think that's the line.
Well, right now we're having this wonderful flow of conversation going on, but let's play a little game which we designed for you.
I really hope it's not rapid fire. I suck at that. I'm not rapid at all.
बोल रहे
It's not exactly rapid fire
वो
with
मजाक
my
उड़ा रही है,
questions that
देखो
I'll
हंस
ask
रही
you.
है
It's just as simple as I'll say some words to you and you're going to tell me what is the first word that comes to your mind when I say those
I'll
words.
try, but I'm just gonna start.
Okay, so the game segment. I'll begin with the cues and you have to be as rapid as you can. Alright? Cool. Pasta.
I cook great pasta. Can I just say this? Okay, tomato basil.
Okay, chai.
Every morning.
वो नहीं कर सकता.
Wow. Momos.
हम इसमें और उसमें बहुत
Way of life.
हम
Blame yourself.
Vada pav.
तो माइक है ना वापस तो ये मेरे पीछे नहीं आया भैया रहता
It's
ना
gone again.
तो दौड़े
No, we can hear you, so you can speak.
मैं बस
नहीं जा रही है, बताओ.
Arman has not ready to leave.
दो वर्ड
Because if we are not rapid,
You lost
we
me.
have to
Am I back?
fine.
No, yeah.
I was just talking to myself like I told you I won't be rapid. Hanji, sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry. The internet's going to get a little sketchy with this storm.
Not a problem. We were at Vada Pav.
I miss vada pav. I've not had vada pav in a really long time.
बोल देगा ये मम्मी
Okay.
Please, there's no such thing as homemade vada pav. It's not even.
I agree. Big time. It's not vada pav, man.
vada pav बना के तुम अपने आप को मतलब दिलासा दे
So
दो,
true.
but it's not worth it. So, like,
You can only make 3 sauce pasta at home. That's what you can do.
yeah, I do that. I have an obsessive pasta chef.
Okay, the
sorry.
next is
वो भी आप MacBook
plants.
Oh, they're my siblings. My parents are going to leave this property to them,
हाँ तो
not to me.
Okay,
उसके
Montu.
बाद जो वो नहीं कर रही उसके बाद
He's
इसकी
missing
turn है.
lately.
बात करने के
I haven't done that.
Okay. Travel.
Oh, man.
तू जानता है इसको
I honestly, the minute I think of travel, I just want to go to anywhere in Europe. Like I just have visions of Europe in my mind. Travel.
Fancy. Dogs.
Want, but can never get as long as I'm staying in my.
Oh my god,
parents'
same.
house.
I literally cried over this to Ria yesterday.
He legit cried. He
I
had
think
tears in
brown
his
parents
eyes.
have a thing against pets. Brown parents do have a thing against pets. They're like, no, it's too much jhanjat. We can't have one. It's
Their
always the argument.
only concern is susu potty.
Yeah.
There is no other concern.
Maintenance is an issue, I believe. Yeah.
Big time.
But I think it's
exactly.
also so like it's raising a baby. You want to do a good job with that. You don't want a brat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Maybe.
saying? I don't know.
Well, last cue. It's radio jockey.
It
caught you there.
It was far-fetched ambition.
Phase in life.
No, but honestly, Prajakta, from what I know, correct me if I'm wrong, that you really wanted to be a radio jockey. And you were one for quite a brief time. And in your studio, once Hrithik Roshan was there, you just shot a video with him, and that is where this YouTube journey for you started. And I think even in the
Can
time
I just
of,
say thank you
people of
so
our
much
age,
for making me not say the story all over again.
Yeah.
I
We've done
really
our
appreciate
research. We've done our research
I
just
am-
for you.
100 points to you guys for that, because I just I'm sorry, all my devices are ringing. I just it's just the most like I'm just like I'm like सिर्फ आप ही को सुनना है और किसी को नहीं सुनना है ये वाला story मेरा. So many people ask, but yeah.
Yeah, but the question here is,
For,
na, Prajakta, honestly, that it was ideally like a dream job or something where you wanted to be. And even for people of our age group, we have a lot of jobs or tasks which we want to end up doing.
Yeah.
And then when we are there, we realize that okay, this is probably not something for me. So this changing pattern is quite there. So how do you cope up with that, or just go over that?
I lost you a little bit. A lot of people right now also want jobs, and then I lost you for like 3 seconds, and I feel like that
Yeah,
was
like-
the most important part of the question.
I think what I'm saying is that there is this dream job where people have thought of possibly from their childhood, and they want to end up being there. But once they end up, they might realize into it in a few months that okay, this is not something made for me, and that change happens. And in our age group, especially with everything changing around us so quickly, we tend to adapt to that change and possibly want to change with it. So how was that change for you, especially that radio jockey was something for you, and then you came up here and you created a whole
It
world
was
of your own.
extremely surprising because I really wasn't open to the fact that I would ever want to be anything else but a radio jockey. And I feel like in that process, and I get what you're saying, because we're so hell-bent on a plan that we've made for ourselves, and a lot of times in that process what we do is we sort of just like blindside a lot of other things that could be working in our favor. Like for example, I am acting now, but I was doing professional theater before I started working in radio, but I never took acting very seriously. Like I remember even then I was in my 12th grade when I was doing shows in India, outside, everywhere, and we were doing like it was a very good opportunity, but I never took it seriously. So many people tell me, you should really pursue more in this, and I was like, I don't want to do this. But that came back to me when I did Khali Pulao, and then I did Mismatch. Now we're doing Jug Jug Jug. There's many things that I learned back then that are completely sidelined, and I feel like change sometimes comes as a very good reality check, as a very good intervention at times when we least expect it. For me at that time, honestly, if someone had told me that I wouldn't be a radio jockey, I would just shrug my shoulder and walk off and be like, what the hell do you think you're talking about? I was arrogantly ambitious about being a radio jockey. I was like, you don't know me, so don't tell me what I'm going to do. And then I would meet that person a year later and be like, what did I tell you? But so इसीलिए when that change came to me, I think it also came at a time where I had no arrogance. Everything was broken down. It's horrible when you grow up for years wanting to be something and you become that person, and you honestly know that you're not good at it and it's not going to work for you. It just breaks you down. So I think it also came to me at a point where I had no self-confidence whatsoever. So I think the change was much, and the fact that my family supported me completely. My parents were like, go for it, it's fine, take your chances. So it's a massive thing for a 21-year-old if her parents are standing.
It is.
Yeah, I had nothing to lose, honestly. I had nothing to fear, and I think that strength came from my people. So I think the change was rather easy because of that.
Well, I think we're loving the flow of conversation here. It's like just so candid and so natural, just exactly how we wanted the backstage to turn out. But as the host, it's my responsibility to pin in between and just to remind you that we have a lot of games for you. So let's move on to the next game segment, which is actually a big twist. So this segment doesn't only involve you, Prajakta, but also the two exec members who've been speaking with you, and I'm guessing you know a little about them by now.
Where did they go?
So-
Where did their videos go off?
No, it's all on.
We're coming back.
No, they were just pinned to the screen and then now they're away. So we have Ashutosh and Riya who will be with me, right?
Yes.
Got it.
So, but before we begin, I would like to call a big dum-dum that we have in the audience. And the biggest one we know currently is another member of the executive committee, who is none other than the exec, Ishan
Hi,
Sujal.
Ishan.
How are you?
Hi, Prajakta.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. It's so weird. We said hi to each other before this live
Yeah.
started.
Prajakta, he's not good. I'm telling you, he's not good. He hasn't been since he knows that you're here. He hasn't been good. He's
hasn't
been
been
using
Can I
it
tell
all.
you?
all.
Can I just tell you, you've got the most beautiful dimples. I have a
Oh
thing.
my god.
Thanks.
Ishan, are you fine? Are you going to be able to move ahead with this?
Continue this
It's okay,
segment,
we can take a
Ishan.
break.
Like since like last night's dry run when we decided that he's gonna play a game with you, he has not been fine. It's just so evident on his face. He's just like looking at the screen and like counting down the hour that Prajakta is about to come. So, well, this is how the game works. Ashu, Riya, and Ishan have different types of 5 unpleasant drinks ready with each of them beforehand.
Like
And Ishan,
real
isn't-
life
Yeah.
drinks.
yeah, like we prepared it
Okay.
beforehand. Yes. And Ishan is in your team. I am the game master and I would speak out 10 situations to you, Prajakta, which none of them know about.
Okay.
And you and Ishan have to together guess which one of the two, Ashu or Riya, has done that or is in the habit of doing that.
So whoever gets it right.
I'll give you an example. So, for example, if you and Ishan correctly guess that Riya is the one who has that habit that I say, then Riya has to drink up the shot of your choice.
Okay, got it. So
Correct?
then, how is it that Ishan and I can discuss and speak?
Yeah.
Yes, you can discuss here. Give me an answer. If it is correct, then you decide which drink do they have to chug.
Got it. Oh, I
You
like
sure
this
I
game.
got it?
Sister, I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, you just
But
have
Ishan
to.
has to
Yeah.
do Karmana, go on the other part. Ishan has
Yes, and if you and Ishan guess it incorrectly, then Riya and Ashu would decide which shot Ishan has to drink up since he's on
I
your
still
team.
gotta do nothing. I'm gonna keep drinking my water. But okay, fine. Ishan, we'll try that you don't have to have too many disgusting drinks, but I can't promise.
Okay. Yeah.
See, this game is basically the result of this overworked impulse score who just wants to take revenge from the execs for making us work so hard all year. And I'm using you to accomplish my mission. So thank you. Thank you.
You know what?
for
Let's just give wrong answers for all 3 of them. Let them all keep shots.
So I now request Ashu, Riya and Ishan to flaunt the beautiful menu of drinks that they have for Prajakta to choose from. I'll speak the names of some of them.
Riya,
Please
damn.
flaunt the phrase, guys. So for example, we have Karele ka juice, we have Haldi shot, we have red chili shot. So you can torture them all you want and I'll be just
Now I
happy.
don't like this game very much. Okay, let's go. Let's start.
Okay, so the first cue for Prajakta and Ishan to guess whether Ashu is the culprit
Okay.
or Riya. Okay. One of them has this unnecessary obsession with ice. The person, yes, ice, barf. The person literally made their core get them ice chips in return to get work done. Ishan and Prajakta, what do you think?
Ishan, what do
I
you think?
think. Okay.
I think Ashutosh, because he had
Yeah.
a surprisingly straight face, huh? I think
Oh.
so. Because Riya, this one started laughing quickly. Riya was only sent over to bring the ice.
My
But I
Okay, so your answer is Ashutosh. Well, that is
I'm obsessed. I just like to eat a lot of ice chips. It calms me down for real.
Oh my god.
I think
You
I
drink a
think
lot
it's
of
working
water,
for you
I
really
eat
well.
ice.
What?
Yeah.
You drink a lot of water, I eat ice. It's the same thing in another form.
It's not the same thing. Eating so much ice. Okay,
the
alright.
fact that Ishan has been working with the two of them and still could not guess
It's
it.
horrible. What have you been doing on the inside?
Even I was
And I'm
confused.
honestly
Ishan,
questioning
what
our
is this,
relationship after
man?
1.5 years back.
Ishan.
Talking. I remember I met Sam Jackson
Kaisa?
first,
नहीं
and then I met Brie Larson. I went, I meet him, and in my head, I'm gonna mess it up. You know, how do you walk into a room and you sit across Samuel L. Jackson, how do you talk to him? It's not going to happen. I remember I entered the room and he got up and he met me and he's like, I love your jacket.
Wow.
Really? Like, yeah, I love it. And I was like, Sam Jackson likes my jacket. And he was instantly fine. He was talking to me about Bahubali and how he wants to come to India. Then I went to meet Brie Larson. Turns out Brie Larson
मैं तो
has
स्क्रीन
traveled a
रिकॉर्ड
lot
कर रहा हूँ
to
यूट्यूब में
Konkan.
डाल दूंगा एडिट करके
And she's like, she's been to Pain. Like, why have you been to Pain?
अबे वो
like,
नहीं
a lot of
आवाज
these
जा रहा
things
ना
that we really started talking about fish and Konkani food and the palms and the sea and things like that. And suddenly, like, I had to keep telling myself that this is Brie Larson. I'm talking to Captain Marvel right now. It's a massive deal.
Yeah.
It was crazy. And you know, for me, when I went and I met them, I had just become a fan of the Marvel universe because I didn't grow up watching
Perfect
reading the
timing.
comics. But yeah,
Perfect
but
time.
like I had like 3 months before that is when I binge watched every Marvel movie. And tab tak I was only an Iron Man fan. But later I was like a fan of the Avengers and I'd gone mad about it. And then Disney came to me and they're like, hey, do you want to go and meet them? And I was like, but yeah.
ओए
it was-
दहिया
it
को
was
देख रहा है आजकल ये
Rajata-
डाल रहा है रील्स
Thank you for answering all the questions that have been shot at you with so much honesty and being so real with us.
Thank
I
you.
literally do not
Thanks,
have a
Ayesha.
script prepared to thank you because
video
I
में
can't.
देखे थे।
So, thank you for being here. We had a wonderful time having you on board. A big thank you for Social Nation to make this
iPhone?
happen. And with this, so we come to an end with Shirke Group presents Impulse 21, brought to you by Impulse Fest.
देख अभी
And
sponsors का बात हो
this
रहा है
was the end of Backstage at the Sundowner. Thank you so much for
Thank you so
everyone.
much,
Thank you
Prajakta.
so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
joining.
Lovely interacting
Thanks
with
to
you.
everybody who
Thank you, Prajakta.
joined.
We'll remember this forever.
And
पेटीएम
I'm sorry I couldn't answer more questions. But thank you for joining, everybody from like organizers and everyone who's raising their hands
Yeah.
right now.
ATM
I'm
sponsor
doing
है।
high fives because you're raising your hands and there's nothing more I can do.
Thank
But
you.
thank
you
Please
so
stay
much.
safe,
Thank you,
Prajakta.
Prajakta.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
खत्म होने वाला
Huge
Bye.
shout out to Yogesh and the entire team at
Yes,
Social Nation.
sir.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, next time
हाँ
we have Social Nation happening on ground. Make sure you
सोशल नेशन बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है क्या
please be damn fun.
I'm a governor myself. I'll be there. I'll see
I
you
don't want
again.
you to come alone, no, but get your
तो
whole
ये
college.
कारमनिया रेजादा गवर्नर है सोशल
We'll
नेशन
make that
का
happen.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Alright,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you.
बुढ़ापा में कहीं पति पत्नी रहा
Thank you so much, everyone.